Subaru unveils exclusive WRX STI in Japan, leaving American enthusiasts yearning. In a move that might leave American Subaru enthusiasts a bit envious, the automaker is set to introduce a special edition of the WRX STI in its home market of Japan. While the rest of the world is enjoying the new WRX STI, Japan gets the privilege of an STI-branded WRX, specifically the WRXS for STI Sport. This hotly anticipated model is scheduled to make its debut at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2024. Referred to as an STI complete car, this special WRX is expected to be laden with performance-enhancing features from Subaru Technica International, akin to BMW's M Performance models. While the regular WRXS for STI Sport is showcased in the released photo gallery, a teaser image hints at an even hotter version, complete with a trunk lid spoiler, distinctive wheels featuring STI center caps, and what seems to be a lowered suspension, though labeled as a prototype. Subaru plans to produce this limited edition variant. The Tokyo Auto Salon 2024 is not just about the WRX. Subaru will also unveil a BRZ STI Sport, showcasing additional STI components, including a carbon rear spoiler. Even the Volkswagen isn't left out, receiving the STI treatment in Japan with an aerodynamic body kit, scheduled for January 12th to 14th. Tis 2024 promises to be an exciting event for Subaru enthusiasts. Alongside these special editions, Subaru plans to showcase various race cars, including the WRX NBR Challenge 2024 spec, BRZ GT300 2023 spec, and Team SDA Engineering's BRZ CNF concept modified to run on carbon-neutral fuel. While American fans might feel a pang of disappointment at missing out on these exclusive models, the global Subaru community remains intrigued and excited about the latest offerings from the Japanese automaker.